For my darling, my love is so true and pure. My love is only for you. I wish to take you in my arms and never let you go. I wish to be with you till the end of time. I wish that sleeping in your arms under the moonlight may look at the stars, the passion, the loveth feelings and pure. I really wish that we stay this way forever. I wish that we go to the beach by the sea holding your hands. I wanna just feel your and your love. The feelings are true. It's only for you. I wish the time stops by and the moment also stops. I don't wanna let you go cause you know that I love you so much and I wish you understand that I can't live without you. Now seal my lips with a tender kiss as we exchange the winding vow. I love you so much, my sweetheart. We shall now never stay apart. Your eyes attracted me the most. No, it's your charming smile that attracts me the most. The sweet whisper in my ear is what I love you about you. When you crying at small things, I love to see your face. When you get angry, I love to see your face. Your blushing face attracts me the most. It's your pretty face that makes me go nuts over you. The way you speak to me makes me go crazy for you. I really can't decide what attracts me the most. But let me tell you that I love everything about you cause it's true that I simply love you. I do not express my love in life. And that is why you keep on asking me that do I love you today. I am going to write to you what is in my heart. My love for you is so deep that I do not express it on your face. My love for you is in my eyes, in the way I talk to you, and in the way I care for you, in my small gestures for you, so I don't have to express that I love you. You are and will remain my love forever. This is only true that I only love you. Your love has conquered my heart and left me asking for more. I want to confess to you that I feel in love with you the first time when I saw you. Yes, it was indeed love at first sight. For me, nothing has changed since then. In fact, my love for you has only increased with time. You will not believe, but it is true when I say that you are the most important person in my life. I respect you for who you are. Respect to you the way you are. I just want to tell you that I am in love with you. You are the reason why I stay happy in life. You are the reason why I am still there for you. You are the reason why I am myself all the time. You are the reason why I have the 100 volt smile. Yes, That is true. When I am with you, I have a broad smile on my face. When I am with you, I feel that loving grace. I do not feel like this with anyone else. I just have a feeling with you, my dear. I think I will forever love you and I will forever stay with you. No one understands me better in life as you do, baby. I am truly and purely in my love with you. When I say that, yes, it's true, baby. I am so in love with you. Cannot really put in words, but yes, it's so true.